If triangle GTR is similar to triangle ZEK, find EK and ZK. Here we have our two triangles, triangle on the left, triangle ZEK. We can see that segment EZ is 24 units, and we know the lengths of the three sides in the smaller triangle, 8, 9, and 6. And let's start by finding EK. We know that EK over the side that it's corresponding with. So again, we look at our triangle names, we can see that EK would correspond with segment TR. And we see that segment TR has a length of 6. So EK over 6 would equal, and again this is because we know the triangles are similar, we know that that would equal the ratio EZ over GT. So EZ is 24 units over what it would be corresponding with, which was segment GT, and we see that that is 8. 24 over 8, or 24 divided by 8, is equal to 3. So this would imply that EK over 6 must equal 3. And if we simply multiply both sides of this equation by 6, we see that EK would equal 3 times 6, or 18. Or in other words, EK, what divided by 6 gives us 3, and that again is telling us that EK must equal 18 units. Now let's find ZK. We see again that ZK would correspond with GR. So ZK over GR, and GR has a length of 9. So ZK over 9 would equal, again, EZ over TG, or 24 over 8. Again, 24 divided by 8 is equal to 3. So that gives us ZK over 9 must equal 3. So what number out there divided by 9 gives us 3? And that answer is 27. So that implies that ZK must have a length of 27.